Hi, welcome back to Mubas Home. This is Bhavani. Today in this video we are going to see the different sounds of C. In alphabets, the C has more than 3 sounds. As we know, the C has Ka sound, Sa sound and Cha sound also. But how to teach to these kids? They will definitely get the confusion. So when the C sounds as Ka and when the C sounds as Sa, there is some rule and one technique for to teach to kids very easily. So if they know this trick, more than 100 words, they can easily identify whether it is a Sa sound or Ka sound. First, we will see some words starting with C. Yes, these are the words starting with letter C. Crab, crow, cut, celery, cement, cake, corn, circle, circus, cycle. In all these words, some words starting with Ka. Those are crab, crow, cut, cake, corn. That's it. And then next, some words starting with the sound Sa. Those are celery, cement, circle, circus, cycle. But definitely we can't say by looking into the words when it is starting with Ka sound and when it is starting with Sa sound. So this is the rule. Yes, this is the rule for to identify easily when we are pronouncing the sound of C as soft Ka. Soft Ka. The sound of C, soft C is S. Sa. So when it is coming, when we are pronouncing the soft Ka sound, when C is followed by E, I, Y letters from the alphabet. When C is followed by E, I, Y, then we are pronouncing the sound of C as soft C, that is Sa. So we will see some words with soft C sound. C, E, M, E, N, T. C is followed by E. That's why we are pronouncing the sound of C as soft C. That is sound of C is Sa. Cement. Sa. Cement. And then next, C is followed by I. So in this word, C is followed by I. So here C is followed by E, here C is followed by I. So that's why we are pronouncing the sound of C as soft C, that is I. And then next, C is followed by Y. C, Y. So if C is followed by E, C is followed by I, and then next C is followed by Y. C, Y, C, L, E. C, Y, C, Y, C, L, E. Cycle, circle, cycle, Sa. C is followed by Y. That's why we are pronouncing the sound of C as Sa. If you observe in these two words, we are pronouncing the two sounds of C, that is hard Ka and the soft Ka also. Two sounds, that is CI. Sa, CL, Kla, circle, cycle. Yes. And then next, so we will see the hard Ka. There are actually the C sounds divided into main two sounds, that is soft C sound. This is the rule for soft C. And then next, what is hard C? Hard C sound. So the sound of C, hard C is K. K. K or K. So when C is followed by except C, E, I, Y, any letter. When C is followed by except E, I, Y. So we have total alphabets A to Z 26 letters. So if C is followed by only E, I, Y letters, then we are pronouncing the sound of C as except E, I, Y, any letter. Except E, I, Y, any letter will follow the C. Then we are pronouncing the sound of C as hard Ka. Like any alphabet, like A, B, C, D, F, L. Any letter, if it is follows by C, then we are pronouncing the sound of C as K. So we are going to see some words based upon this rule. Car, cat, and the next cut, and the next crab. Yes, and the next crab. If we observe all these words, the C is followed by except EIVL with some other alphabets. So C is followed by A, C is followed by A, C is followed by U, and C is followed by R. That's why we are pronouncing the sound of C as hard Ka. That is, hard Ka sound is K, Ka. So this is the rule. If we teach to the kids in the early age, then they are going to read the words very easily without any confusion. So one thing we have to remember, English is a tricky language. So whatever the rule we are teaching to them, some exceptions to that rule. If we teach these exceptions also, including this rule, then it will be very, very easy for the kids. So now we are going to see what is the exception for this rule for the soft Ka and hard Ka. Yeah, this is an exception, CH. Whenever the CH comes together, then we are not going to check it whether it is a soft Ka or whether it is a hard Ka. We are not going to separate this actually. So because this is a digraph sound, so whatever the digraph sounds we have in English, that sounds we are not going to separate. So we have to read the two letters at a time. That is CH, Cha. So we are going to see some words with the different sounds, exception words for soft Ka. Chair, chess, cheese. Yes, all these three words are not only these three, all these words. When C is followed by H, the sound of C we are pronouncing as Cha. This is fixed because that is a digraphs. When the digraphs are coming, whatever that rule we are following in the phonics, that rule we have to break. This is the exception for the sound. This is the exception for the sound of hard Ka and soft Ka. I think all of you understood this rule. Try to implement to your kids whenever you are teaching. Even in early age, at the age of 4 and 5 also we can teach. Definitely we can teach this rule. Definitely they are going to understand. This is my real time experience. Try to implement. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to give a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel for to get more videos like this. Surely I'll meet you tomorrow at the same time 4 to 5.